In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add trend lines to scorecards in Looker Studio. Whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just getting started with data visualization, trend lines can add significant value by allowing you to visualize data patterns over time. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to head over to Looker Studio. Once you're there, the process begins by selecting the scorecard component you wish to edit. This is an important step because the trend line or spark line will be attached to this specific scorecard. Simply click on the scorecard to get started. Next, you'll want to locate the Setup tab within the right-hand panel. As you scroll down this panel, keep an eye out for the section labeled Spark Line. This is where the magic happens. The Sparkline section is designed to help you represent trends visually by showcasing data points over a specific time frame. Now, it's time to add a date dimension. This step is crucial for creating an effective and relevant trend line. You will see an option labeled Add Dimension. Clicking on this will present a drop-down menu from which you can select a date-based dimension that best suits your dataset. Some popular dimensions include date, week, and month. The choice of dimension will determine the intervals at which your data is organized, so select one that aligns with the insights you want to derive. Once you've selected your dimension, we move on to one of the most fun aspects of the process, customizing the appearance of your spark line. Switch over to the Style tab where you'll find a plethora of options at your disposal. You can play around with the color of the line to make it stand out against your scorecard. Additionally, you can opt to add a fill underneath the line for some extra visual flair. If you're interested in smoothing out the jagged peaks and troughs in your line, there's an option for that too. This level of customization ensures that your spark line not only provides functional insight, but also fits seamlessly within your overall report design. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to adding a trend line to scorecards in Looker Studio. By following these steps, you can enhance your reports with dynamic visuals that highlight important data trends over time. This capability can be invaluable when presenting data to stakeholders who need to quickly grasp the context and significance of the numbers before them. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to practice by applying these steps to various datasets within Looker Studio to really make this skill your own. Until next time, happy analyzing.